Good morning and welcome back to another episode of On Point Adventures. I'm out with Neil.
Hello.
On his 525 Coraline today, and we're going to be chasing bottom species. We have absolutely no idea what's going to happen today. Hopefully it's productive out here. There's not going to be any fancy filming or drone shots today. It's simply going to be about finding some bottom fish for a beautiful feed. Neil's going to have a floater out the back for most of the day as well, so hopefully that gets hit and hopefully the sharks don't hang around too much. But anyway, enough yarning. Let's get into it. But just quickly, what I'll be throwing around today is just going to be the Berkeley Shimmer Shrimp. I'm going to be throwing that on a tiny little fathom overhead and a PE2 rod. We've got some fantastic stuff showing on the sounder right now, so I'm not going to keep talking. I'm going to start fishing. Let's get into it. So we're out here at Exmouth Reef, and as you can see there, Neil's on. We've just managed to get a lovely spango up here on the old Berkeley prawn there, so yeah, pretty good. What do you got there, Neil? Oh, another nice little emperor. But yeah, been a pretty cool little start to the day. So been, yeah, pretty good. Oh, I'll get this little fella off. But yeah, nice little spango there, which you can't complain with. Just a good way to start off the trip to Exmouth.
With the whales in the background.
Oh yeah, if you look straight down the camera there, you got whales. Not too far off. How good's that? Well, at least we didn't drop this fish, Neil. No. Look how close that whale is. So as you can see behind me here, Neil has hooked up on the floater. That was just simply casting a muley out the back on a gang hook, old style. And seems like a, you know, not a bad fish, to be honest. The sounder is lit up pretty nicely as well, to be fair. But what do we got down here?
What's falling?
What do we got? Oh, we got. Oh, God, that was a bit of bottom for me. There we go, another little emperor. But yeah, the ground's hot at the moment. Oh, hold on. Might be able to get some live action here of the hookup. That plastic prawn is just getting absolutely belted down there at the moment, but it has got, there he is. Oh, it has got very small hooks, so the hookup rate on it isn't the best, but there it is. And we're on. Oh, that's a good fish too. Now up here, you'll probably see us skull dragging these fish a lot, but that's because we've got a bad problem with sharks up here. Come here. Oh, I dropped him halfway up. Oh, shit.
What's that?
I don't know.
That's not a shark. That's a mackie.
Oh, we've just had a mackie hit that plastic right on the surface. Oh, and it's not stopping. Listen to this. But that's good news. I mean, hopefully we get this in. We're not running wire on this rod. That's the only problem. But we're just going to try and get this one in. That's going to be the hard part. But how's that for a bit of live action? We dropped an emperor on the way up. It was a lovely emperor. And just as I was about to free spool that plastic, it was down. Neil's dropped the bait down. He's onto another emperor. Oh, it's all going on up here. All going on. Just hope we don't have a bit of the old butterfingers effect out here. So pretty much playing the fish straight out the front of the boat at the moment, which is not what I like. Oh, all right, he's coming round. I'm really scared this guy's gonna have a shark hot up his ass soon. Oh, we'll go around here. All right, I might step off camera for a bit while we get this fella in. Come on over this way. That's a tuna, I think. Oh, that's a beautiful tuna. Like, bring the tail up to me. Oh, that's okay. Got him. Oh, 3, 2, 1, in he comes. We've got a beautiful tuna. Beautiful. That was a bit of action right there, guys. And this is a
It's a yellowtail?
a really solid tuna. I mean, have a look at that for a pelagic. What an absolute ripper. On that beautiful little Berkeley prawn. You just can't argue. I'll try and get down a bit more in the sun. But, oh shit, I'm stepping on a fish. I've got gang hooks in my foot. Now I don't. But, oh well, there we go, guys. A beautiful tuna. I'm gonna get this one bled, get it put away, but you just can't get better action than that. Okay, so what we've got here is Neil has just had an awesome hookup on the floater. So we're just gonna bring all these other baits in, because this is not a small fish, okay? This is a really good fish. So we're gonna clear the deck as well for him, which is very important. If one of your mates hooks up, don't try and cast over him, don't try and be nasty. Just make sure you help him out as best you can. Now I'm gonna go find this gaff while you watch Neil. What do we got, Neil?
Golden.
Ooh. What the, oh, big shark, and what's left of a great spango. Look at that. That's what we deal with up here. So that spango, I reckon, probably hooked up, eh, Neil? And then that's a big fish. That was a really good spang. That's probably hooked up and the shark has been hot up its bum straight away, which is why the rod took off the way it did. That's just an insane thing. And that shark would have been no smaller than, what do you reckon, Neil? Make a call, 8 foot?
7, 8 foot, yeah.
7, 8 foot. So that's not a shark you want to be in the water with. Oh, that's crazy. In fact, I'm just watching that spango head go down now and I can guarantee it gets cleaned up. But that's the problem you deal with up here at Exmouth, guys. Whilst it's a great place to come and fish, the sharks up here are rife. They are absolute rife. We've done well so far though. I think we got 6 or 8 fish to the boat without a shark, so that's our first one. Let's just hope it's not a trend. Anyway, we'll get back to it. Okay, this is a bloody good bottom fish that Neil's got here. It is giving him absolute hurt. I'm lucky enough my rod is right out the back. I'm just gonna step out the frame. Hopefully we get this one up. We don't want to see any sharks hot up its ass. Do you need to gaff or you're right? Oh, that's a beautiful emperor. Look at that. Oh, there's another one. Coming in the boat hot and fast. How good's that? And there we have it, guys. What a morning out that was. How was that shark ripping Neil's spango off? And of course, that long tail on the plastic, unbelievable. So yeah, huge morning out. We've got some fantastic edibles as well as a nice pelagic in the fish bag. But that pretty much is gonna wrap us out. We don't need to be too greedy out here. We've got pretty good weather for the rest of the week, so hopefully we'll get a few more episodes in, but if we don't, that's fine. But yeah, thank you very much, Neil, for bringing us out and making a bit of an appearance on the old On Point. And yeah, what a morning out. All right, guys, until the next episode, we'll catch you later.